Hi, W the Fixing Elf here, and in today's video I'll show you how to change the front light bulbs on the 2006 Suzuki Wagon R. So we're starting with the headlight bulb. First thing we need to do is remove the connector and rubber protective boot. These simply wiggle and pop off, as you can see me doing here. So this is a H4 bulb. To remove it from the housing, all you have to do is pull the retaining spring to one side and it'll just pop out, as you see me doing here. Then it's just a simple matter of replacing the bulb with a new one. Putting the retaining clip back into place, it just popped back in. Then finally replacing the protective boot and connector, and then we're all done. Here's just a quick guide of all the bulbs that we're using in this car today. Next we'll move on to the indicator bulb. This is a 581 bulb, and to remove it from the housing all you have to do is twist the connector anti-clockwise and it will pop out as you see here. And then to remove the bulb from the bulb holder, again it's just a simple anti-clockwise twist and it will pop out as you see me doing here. And then it's just a simple matter of replacing the bulb by pushing it in and turning it clockwise. And to put the bulb holder back into the headlight unit is simply another clockwise twist to lock it into place. Onto the side light now. Just twist it anti-clockwise to remove it. This is a 501 bulb, so it simply just pulls out of the connector as you see me doing here. And then it is a bit easier with two hands. To reinstall the bulb, it simply pushes back in. As I said earlier, it's easier with two hands. Once we have the bulb back in the bulb holder, it's a simple matter of reinstalling the bulb holder into the light unit. This is done by pushing it in the hole that it came out of and then twisting it clockwise to lock it into place. It can be a bit fiddly, but we get it done. As with all my bulb videos, I try and keep the editing down to the bare minimum, so you can see how long it takes to do it in real time. Here's just one final look at the bulbs used. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.